Good news, everyone! Welcome to the Dupont Reservation Conservation Area Campground. This conservation area borders Shanks and Anderson conservation areas, all of which are located upon the Mississippi River on the Missouri side, and between the towns of Hannibal and Louisiana off of State Road 79. The local road from the north was blocked because of downed trees, so I entered through the south, through the town of Ashburn. The camping area is right on the Mississippi River and is subject to flooding. Make sure you check local conditions and do not drive on flooded roads. The ranger did say that the access roads will flood before the campground. While I was there, I watched the river swell, and it finally reached a point to where I called my limit and said I was leaving and left early. The access road from the south is made of loose rock and well maintained. The one from the north looks like it might have been blocked for a while with downed trees. There are about a dozen sites in the campground, most of which are pulled through. Some of the sites did not look very level, but the one I stayed at was fairly level. Some of the locals leave their campers there, but when I took this video, I was the only person in the campground. However, during my stay, there were four other camping groups, one of which included a floating camper. Be careful, there is poison ivy all over the place, to include in some of the sites. The camping area also has a boat launch and pit toilet. It's a nice free campground. You can relax and watch the boats and barges go by on the Mississippi River. There is, however, a railroad track that is nearby, and you might hear the occasional train. Either way, you get to see and hear the transportation system of the United States in use. Some history of the Dupont Reservation Conservation Area from the Missouri Department of Conservation's website. From about 1892 through 1932, a dynamite factory was located on this conservation area, which provided explosives for lead, zinc, and coal mines in the tri-state area, and nitroglycerin for use in Oklahoma oil fields. Separate facilities were built in different valleys in this rough terrain to lessen the chance of a chain reaction explosion should any of the buildings explode. E.I. DuPont and De Numerus and Company donated 1,122 acres to the Conservation Commission in 1938. Subsequent land purchases have increased the size of this area to its present 1,320 acres. The area consists of 975 acres of upland timber, 310 acres of bottomland timber, and 35 acres of oil fields and grasslands. It also contained plantations of walnut, cottonwood, tulip poplar pine, and bald cypress trees. A boat access and primitive campground are located upon a portion of 1.5 miles of Mississippi River frontage. Remember, life is short. Take more detours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.